Mwah.
Aw, come here. Mwah. That was intense.
Aww, he's my man. Whoa! Ugh, he can't stop looking at her. Better sit down for the show. Hey.
She's gonna show you,
How it's done.
milady.
I can't believe this is really happening to me. He went to her, just like that. If she takes my boyfriend, I'll take her identity. Fly, little ones. Surprise, surprise. Ah! What are those? You can't get away with this. Watch me. You're under my control. I am.
Huh? Where did she go? Have you seen her?
She went that way. Let's go! We're coming, Mira! But Mira's coming with me. Time to… Ouch! Watch where you're going!
Huh?
Is that… what?
Give my friend back.
Or else, you'll do nothing. You'll forget everything you saw in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, hello. Let's be besties.
Fine, but only if you help me look like this doll.
You got it. Makeover time.
Whoa!
Welcome to my room.
It's spacious.
Wow, you have lovely hair. Shh. Hey, relax. You know I need to dye your hair, right? Trust me. Sit back and enjoy the transformation. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing.
I hope so.
This will be fun! Freestyle hair coloring is the best. Not a single blonde hair strand will be left. And done!
Wow, good job!
Aw, thanks! Freeze!
Huh? What are you doing?
Oh, come on, girl. It's only a braiding tool. It won't hurt. See? This is so satisfying to watch. Hunter braids? Check. So, what do you think?
I think you're nailing this!
Yay! Then good thing she didn't. And hey, this is an opportunity to do your makeup. Heels, nails, blade, mascara. These shades are in your color season. Wow, you look gorgeous.
Thanks! And I feel gorgeous!
Told ya.
I'll listen to whatever you say.
Then we can continue with #fashion. Nothing catches my eye so far.
Transformation selfie!
Not this.
Whoa! Help!
Huh? What was that? Are you all right? Oof, that must have hurt.
Whoa! Good idea! Yum!
Yep.
Bon appetit!
Oh, must be the delivery. I'll get the door. Thank you. Our clothing orders arrived.
Wow, so fast! I'll try them on.
Hope they fit.
So,
Nah.
how about this?
Wow. Or never mind.
I feel so strong.
What? No way.
This is it.
Agreed.
Clothes? Check. Phew! Great work, team.
Yeah.
A quick double check. Whoa! My skirt doesn't match!
Give me 1 second to fix that. Let's see. There must be an orange skirt somewhere here.
Let's hope so.
Aha! This will do the trick.
Are you sure about that?
Oh, you're right. But wait! We can turn it into a skirt! Using my tools for a good cause.
Awesome! You're really crafty. And it's just my size! Wow! I want one too! So pretty!
Yeah, you need one to be a hunter.
Huh? Do you knit?
No. Oh, but I craft! Looks like your wish is granted!
Wow! How did you…
Call it talent.
I know what it needs.
Good thinking. I'll quickly attach it, and done. Your hunter charm is ready.
Yay! The dress is complete!
We're nailing this, girl.
All thanks to you. Ouch!
Sorry, my bad. Wait a second. You don't have the right shoes. Let's take care of that. Come on, step inside the first box.
I don't know what to expect. Wow! Cool magic trick! Aww! So cute and comfy. Can I keep them on?
Unfortunately, no.
Wow! Princess heels! So chic and fancy. Whoa! But I can't walk in these. What do you think? Please agree?
You look so uncomfortable.
Glad we are on the same page. Wow! I think this is it. I feel so confident and strong in these.
Yes, slay. You look gorgeous.
Oh, I'm so happy.
If there's food, I will never not eat it. Freshly popped. Haha.
I want some. Buttery. What? Oh, I have no jewelry.
You called me? I got what you need.
Wow, so many.
Not so fast. See those targets? You need to prove your hunter skills first.
Ah.
That's so easy. Here, take these.
Yeah, speak for yourself.
You got this.
Come on, please. Ha! Did you see that? Yeah!
Bravo. Here's the second one.
I can do this. Yeah! Will it hit? Ha! It did! I'm the best.
Good job.
Oh, the last one. The moment of truth. I can't fail. And I didn't. Yeah!
Here's your reward as promised. My work is done.
Bye!
Come on, let's check them out.
So edgy. Can't do without a necklace. More is more.
Perfect. Well, there's one last thing to do. Hope you're ready for this. Sing!
Uh-oh.
We're going up, up, up. It's our moment. Come on, your part is coming. You know, together, we're glowing.
Gonna be golden. That was so fun!
Smiley! One more. And post it for our fans.
So many likes!
Fans never disappoint.
I owe you for this. I got you a thank you gift!
Aww. What is... Whoa. Great gift.
Oh. Not the real action begins. Time to get out of here. Bye! I'm here, and I'm looking better than ever. Hey, handsome. Mwah.
Hey, gorgeous.
Oh, what? Where? Mira?
Finally, I'm back. That little.
I know where she went. You!
Huh? Uh-oh.
You can't fool anyone.
I'm seeing doubles.
Oh no, I'm in trouble. She's a fake. Pick me! I'm the real deal. No, me! You wouldn't dare.
That's enough. This will reveal the truth.
Hey, are you ready? It's time to go. Are you okay? Hello? What's wrong? Is it that bad? But don't worry, I can fix it. We just need some cleanser and cotton pads. Now let's get your makeup done. We'll start by drawing a line with some light foundation. Then we'll make smaller sections. Just like this. Now to fill the sections with a darker shade of foundation. Fill every second section. Then fill in the blanks with a lighter shade. Anyone for chest? Use a makeup sponge to blend the foundation. This creates an even tone and layer. We're almost done. Have a look. Wow, that's so much better than my attempt. I love it. Let's go party. This competition is mine. My hair looks gorgeous. If you say so. Excuse me. This dress will look amazing on me. Wow, she must be blind. It would be a shame if there were no makeup brushes. Oh well, looks like she'll have the natural look. Nice dress. I'll take that as a compliment. Where are the makeup brushes? I could have sworn they were here a minute ago. Oh no, what am I gonna use? A toothbrush? This might work. Start with a color palette and a glass of water. Take a clean toothbrush and dip it in the water. Then, onto the makeup. Flick the bristles so the makeup splatters onto your face. Trust us, we know what we're doing. Use different colors for a greater effect. Clean off the excess and you'll have a vibrant eyeshadow. Hello, beautiful. Mesdames et messieurs, welcome. Let the show begin. I'm not so sure. Hi. I'm speechless. She's the one. She looks stunning. How? You're too kind. And there. I think that's me. This room is a mess. It's disgusting. Make yourself useful and pick up these clothes. Maybe later? Bye-bye. What? No! Come back! All I'm good for is cleaning up. Oh, come on. Fine, I'll tidy everything up. How much makeup does she wear? It's never ending. I wish I got paid for this. Wow, I mean it's impressive how much sponges she goes through. Seriously? Under here as well? I think that's them all. Oh, my back. I'm too old for this. May as well pick up the clothes, too. Really? I need to have a talk with her. In they go. As if this is how I want to spend my time. Ugh. Thank goodness for the washing machine. I have a way to clean the sponges quickly. Put the makeup sponges in a bucket or basin. Add in a large scoop of stain remover powder. Then pour over some water. Look at all the bubbles. Looks like it's working. Once they've soaked, empty out the water. Rinse with clean water to remove any leftover detergent. Give it a squeeze. And look how clean they are. That worked well and saved time. Oh, almost forgot. I'll need these. What? What happened?